back for another video. So today's video I am so excited for. I'm going to be using these SXC gel nut liners. I'm going to be doing a tie-dye butterfly set. And here I'm just showing you everything that I'm going to be using. So first I'm going to start off by taking this buffer and I'm going to buff the shine of all the nails. And then I go in with my hand file and I file off the tab on the tip there. And I'm going to use this XXC glue gel as my base coat. And I'm going to apply a thin layer of that over all the nails. And then I cure for 60 seconds. So after I am done curing, I'm going to go in with one coat of this, I believe it's ginger from McCart. I'm going to apply a thin coat of that as well, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Everything I use in this video will be linked down below for you guys as well. So here I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and top coat that with the XXC top coat. And then I cure again for 60 seconds. So after that is cured, I'm going to go in with this blue color. This is the XXC's gel liners. So I'm going to start with that blue color and put a line of that down the middle of the nail, and then I go in with this green. I believe this is neon green. I'm gonna follow the line and use the green color. It does not have to be perfect. And then I go in with the yellow. I think this is called banana yellow, and I just follow that outline. And then I take this smaller liner brush and I just draw lines going outwards, like in the wet polish. This is not cured. So I just continue to do that down the middle of the nail. I do make bigger gaps in between, and then I go in between the gap and make another line. Now you can wipe your brush off after each stroke, but I kind of liked that blended, how they went into each other. It kind of made the tie-dye look a lot better to me. So after I am happy with that, I cured it. I'm sorry I forgot to press record for the ring fingernail. So this is the middle nail, and I'm gonna do the lines, one at the tip and one at the base. And then I follow up with the green on the inside alongside the blue, and then I go in with that yellow. And these lines don't have to be perfect. I kind of like when they're a little squiggly or not perfect, because that adds to the tie-dye effect. And this nail, you'll see I did it a little different. I went inwards and outwards. So I guess you could call this my accent nail. But here I'm going in, and then I go on the other side on the base part, and I do the same thing. I just wanted to do something different for this nail. And then I just go outwards, going in between the ones that I did inwards. I really like how this nail turned out. I mean, I like how the whole set turned out, but I might have to do another set just doing that, because that came out really nice. So now I'm going on to the pointer finger, and on this one I'm going to do the same as I did on the ring finger, just on the opposite side of the nail. And then on the thumbnail, I do the same design as I did on the pinky nail. So I'm just gonna let this play out, and I will come back when it's time for the next step. And that's what they look like so far. So I'm going to go in with this XXC top coat and just do a layer of that over all the nails, just to protect the design so far. That ring finger I think came out the best. That and the pointer, or the middle finger, I think those two came out like perfect. But after I apply my top coat, I do cure for 60 seconds. So here I just pulled out some of those paper butterflies. I have some clear transparent butterflies there. This I got from a cart. I'm going to use that big butterfly. I don't end up using those rhinestones. But I'm going to take this glue gel from SXC, and I'm going to use this to adhere the big butterfly, and this is on the middle nail. So I just put a glob of that right in the middle of the nail. I did apply the butterfly upside down, but it's completely fine. It's not a huge deal. But I thought this butterfly went perfect with the set. And then here I take that glue gel again, and this is the ring finger, and I put that on the inside of the nail, and I'm going to apply those clear butterflies. I apply 2, and then I cure, and I do that with the pointer finger as well. Now here I'm applying my top coat to my pinky and my thumbnail. I did add those paper butterflies, but I did forget to press record, so I do apologize. But I just did like one green, one blue, one green. I went like with the design, with the nail art. So I just did that up and down, or up the nail, and I did that again on the pinky and the thumbnail. And I'm not encapsulating this with the top coat because I want it to look like the butterflies are like just sitting on the nail, but I did want to make sure that they didn't move or fall off. But I did adhere these using the glue gel from SXC. And this is what the nails look like. See there, I'm showing you how the butterflies look. It came out perfect. I absolutely love this set. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I am absolutely obsessed. I have to do that tie-dye again with some different colors. Here, I just show you a close-up of how the tie-dye came out, as well as what the butterflies look like. Oh, and the butterflies went perfect with the set also. I applied these like with the little tabs because I want to use these as a press-on so I can reuse them. But yes, I love how this set turned out. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.